Hi, my dear children. I am really happy to meet you with a new lesson. Today, we are going to describe the informations in a table. Look at this table. This table shows a result of a survey conducted among 100 grade 11 students about their leisure activities. We are going to write our description with using 3 steps. Step 1, writing an introduction for the table. Let's see how to write an introduction for a table of information. When we write introduction about table, we ask 4 questions to write an introduction. Question number 1. What is about the table? Again, I ask the question. What is about the table? Answer for the first question. The table shows a result of a survey which was conducted among 100 grade 11 students about their favorite leisure activities. This is the answer for the first question. Now, we ask the second question. Look at the table. There are 2 columns in it. We ask these questions about the column. What does the first column show? The answer is, the first column shows the favorite leisure activities of the children. Now the third question. What are the leisure activities given in this table? The answer is playing outdoor games, watching cartoons, reading books, listening songs, visiting friends, and garden. The answer for the second question is the leisure activities are playing outdoor games, watching cartoons, reading books, listening songs, visiting friends, and gardening. Now, we'll ask the fourth question. What does the second column show? The second column shows the number of the students. Now, we'll write these 4 answers as a paragraph. This is the introduction paragraph about the table. The table shows a result of a survey conducted among 100 grade 11 students about their favorite leisure activities. The first column shows the favorite leisure activities of the children. The leisure activities are playing outdoor games, watching cartoons, reading books, listening songs, visiting friends, and gardening. The second column shows the number of the children. This paragraph is a perfect introduction for this table. Step 2. Describe the information in a table. Again, we ask some questions to write the description about the table. What is the most popular activity in this table? The answer will be most number of children like to play outdoor games as their favorite leisure activity. Next question. What is the least popular leisure activity in this table? The answer will be least number of children like visiting friends as their favorite leisure activity. Now the last question. What are the equally popular activities in this table? The answer will be an equal number of children like watching cartoons and listening music. Now we write all these answers together as a paragraph. This is the second paragraph. This gives a description about the table. We'll read it. According to the table, Most number of children like playing outdoor games as their favorite leisure activity. On the other hand, least number of children like visiting friends as their favorite leisure activity. An equal number of children like watching cartoons and listening to music. You can see we have used some new words and phrases here, though they are not in the answers. When we write paragraphs, you should remember to use these kind of words and phrases in your paragraph. Now you can understand this is the description of table. It is our step 2. Now we have completed 2 steps. The step 1 is writing an introduction to the table, and the step 2 is writing the description about the information. Now the third step. The third step is writing comparison for the given information. We are going to use 2 phrases to write the comparison of informations. The phrases are more than and less than. Now, we'll compare gardening with watching cartoons. Look at this example sentence. More number of children like gardening than watching cartoons as their leisure activity. Now we'll compare listening songs with reading books. Less number of children like listening songs than reading books. Now look at this paragraph. This is the comparison between the given data in the table. Let's read it. With the compare and contrast, more number of children like gardening than watching cartoons as their favorite leisure activity. At the same time, less number of children like listening songs than reading books. And again, you can see I have used some new words, though they are not in the answers. Now we'll sum up writing descriptions about table of information. We'll write this description using 3 steps. The step 1, writing an introduction for a table of information. Then the description about the given information. Finally, we compare the information with other. These are the 3 steps to write a description about the table of information. In the introduction, we ask 4 questions and we write answers for questions, and finally we write a paragraph with using all these answers. Don't forget to use some words and phrases when you write the paragraph, though they are not in the answers. We use according to the table with the compare and contrast. At the same time, on the other hand, we use this kind of words when we write paragraphs and structural essays. Again, I remember you, we did this with using 3 steps: writing an introduction, writing the descriptions, the informations, and the comparison with the given information. These are the main 3 steps to write a description about a table of information. Now we'll see the complete answer. The table shows a results of a survey conducted among 100 grade 11 students about their favorite leisure activities. The first column shows the favorite leisure activities of the children. The leisure activities are playing outdoor games, watching cartoons, reading books, listening songs, visiting friends, and gardening. The second column shows the number of the children. According to the table, most number of children like playing outdoor games as their favorite leisure activity. On the other hand, the least number of children like visiting friends as their favorite leisure activity. An equal number of children like watching cartoons and listening to music. With a compare and contrast, more number of children like gardening than watching cartoons as their favorite leisure activity. At the same time, less number of children like listening songs than reading books. In our next video, we'll discuss how to write a description about a bar graph.